Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. This beautiful and well-maintained two-story, six-bedroom, 3.5-bathroom house sits majestically on a gently sloped hill with a land area of 0.22 acres. It is located in the cool parish of Manchester at Williamsfield Height. Its wraparound balcony gives you the opportunity to sit, relax, and enjoy the panoramic views of the mountains in Manchester. Its electronic gates open to an asphalted driveway for additional parking space, leading up to a garden area with ornamental plants and a variety of fruit trees. There is also a dining area with ceiling fan, living room, spacious kitchen, etc. Only 10 minutes drive from the town of Mandeville and close to schools, hospital, and a stone throw away from the police station. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 35 million or US $227.4 thousand. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.